Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to use webcam filters for Omegle. You don't have to download any software. Also, you can remove your background without green screen. First of all, open your browser. Now search Webcam Effects AI on Google. After that, you can see AI Webcam Effects from extension. You can click on that and download it. So I am going to open their website first. So in their website, you can read more data about this extension. After that, I am going to install that. Now click on Install from Chrome Web Store. Now you will lead to Chrome Web Store. So click on Add to Chrome. After that, it will begin download. Also, their instruction page was automatically opened. You can read it if you want. Okay, now I am going to close both tabs. Now go to the extension and you will see AI webcam effects on there. Select that and click on Sign in with Google. Now select your Google account to sign in. After that, click on Allow. Now you can see I got 30 days free trial. After that you logged in, go to the Omegle website. Click on video and start Omegle chat. Sometimes it asks to allow your webcam, so click on allow. Now go to the extension and open AI webcam effects. Okay, now let's talk about features. First you can select a profile. I am going to select balance. After that I am going to change my background. Let's add image to my webcam background. Okay, now I am going to add video for my background. Also, you can add custom background using upload button. Now let's change the color of background. If you want to add overlay screen, also you can upload overlays that you want. Clicking on layouts and you can see feature on my webcam. This extension is the best option for Omegle webcam effects. Also you can use these features like blur, beauticians, improve FPS, smart zoom and color correction. These features will make your webcam better. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Also, you can comment about any problem related to this video. Thanks for watching.